Welcome to Digital Sculptors. We are happy to announce version 2 of the Import CAD add-on for Blender. The new version is much faster and has many improvements. The new version makes use of the GLTF pipeline and is very fast, in some cases up to 10 times faster than the previous version. The imported step geometry now retains color information and names of assemblies, sub-assemblies, and components, if available. The link to a detailed documentation of the add-on and the download information is in the description below. We will see how a step file with an assembly of solids is imported into Blender. This sample file was exported from a free CAD assembly using the Step 214 format. Since the file contains a valid assembly, use the default options to import the file. The Separate Solids option can be used if the step file contains multiple solids without an actual assembly structure. As you can see, a new collection is created with the name of the file and mesh objects are named based on their names in the CAD assembly. The following are some of the other examples of very large assemblies files downloaded from steptools.com. This update is free for all existing customers. Thank you for watching.